Stephen Curry finished off his China trip with a performance ripped right out of his MVP highlight reel. Curry scored 40 points to lead the Golden State Warriors to a 142,110 victory over the Minnesota Timberwolves on Sunday in Shanghai for a split of their 12-game series in China. It was the Warriors' first win of the preseason and came like so many of their victories of the last 3 years, filled with Curry's incredible shot-making and playmaking. The 2015 and 2016 NBA MVP was 13 for 20 from the field, including 6 of 9 from three-point range, and added 8 assists. Klay Thompson added 8 three-pointers and 28 points, while Kevin Durant scored 22. Andrew Wiggins had 19 points for Minnesota, which won't play again in the preseason. Warriors 142, Timberwolves 110. WARRIORS Golden State shot 60% from the field, 51 of 85 and 61%, 20 for 33 from behind the arc. Rookie Jordan Bell made all 5 shots and scored 11 points. Draymond Green also scored 11. Timberwolves Karl-Anthony Towns scored 16 points and Jimmy Butler had 15. The Wolves poured in 44 points in the first quarter, but Tom Thibodeau's club yielded quarters of 36, 40 and 38 points over the first 3 periods. Up next, Golden State 12 hosts Sacramento on Friday. The Minnesota 21 has finished its preseason schedule